My name is Rey Loza. I'm a HVAC technician on maintenance and operations at SVUSD. I became a technician because I like to fix things. I like to make things work. I like to see people happy. As a technician, I do a lot of things. One of the first things I do, I check my sites on the computer and make sure everything is working fine and see if something is not working so I can take care of it before they call for service or something. I want to make sure they have a good environment to learn. When I'm not at maintenance, I stay in my garden at home. I stay busy with my plants that give me a pretty good fruits for me and for my family and my friends. But the main thing is making things work for everybody.